Hello wanafunzi wangu. Hello my students. Welcome to learn Swahili. Karibu kujifunza Kiswahili. Karibu kujifunza Kiswahili. Swahili language is very simple. Lugha ya Kiswahili ni rahisi. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the negative prefixes. Okay, let's learn about the Swahili subjective prefixes. Leo tujifunze viambishi awali vya nafsi. Viambishi awali vya nafsi. Personal subject prefixes in negative form. Personal subject prefixes. Viambishi awali vya nafsi. Negative form. Kukanusha. Saying no to any action. Saying no to any action. If you have watched the previous lesson, this lesson it is the second one. So try to watch the previous lesson so as to understand this lesson. Okay? Here it is our table. Here it is our table. It is well organized, showing how our subject prefixes in negative form is well written. Here it is a pronoun, and here it is a subject prefix negative form, and here it is an example how the subject prefixes used in negative form. Okay? For example, mfano, mimi. In English we say I. When you are talking yourself, or when I'm talking for myself, in English we use I. In Swahili tunasema mimi, we say mimi. When we come to the subject prefix in negative form, by saying not doing something, we say si. Example, sisomi. Sisomi. I'm not studying. I'm not studying. Sisomi. Let me tell you another example which is not written here. When you say sili chakula, I'm not eating. Okay? I'm not eating. When you say maybe I'm not praying, sichezi. Sichezi. Okay? Here the pronoun wewe. Wewe, it is you in singular. In Swahili we say wewe, but in English it is you singular. Okay? Subject prefix in negative form we use who. We use who. For example, unasoma is that you read, say oh. When you say who, saying no to something. Okay? Husomi. Husomi. The positive one is unasoma. The negative one is who, husomi. Okay? Let us do here. Yeye. Yeye in Swahili. In Swahili, yeye. In English, we say he or she. The pronoun is he or she. But in Swahili, the pronoun is yeye. The subject prefix in negative form, we use the prefix ha. Hasomi. She is not studying, or he is not studying. Hasomi. Okay? Here, the pronoun sisi Kiwakilishi sisi, the pronoun sisi. In English, we. When you want to speak in Swahili to say sisi, to say we, you say sisi. Sisi. It means that we. And when you say you want to respond negatively to do something, we use hatu, hatu, sisi hatu, sisi hatu. Example here. This prefix in negative form we use hatu, hatusomi, hatusomi, sisi hatusomi. Example 2, which is not written here, For example, we are not eating. Sisi hatuli. Sisi hatuli. And remember, this one, it is present form. It is present what? Tense form. It is present form. Here, pronoun ninyi. In Swahili, we say ninyi. In English, we say you. The subject prefix, kiambishi cha nafsi awali, we use what? Ham, ham, hamsomi, hamsomi. Ninyi hamsomi. You are not studying. Okay? And this one last is wow. In English you say they. In Swahili, wow, wow, wow. Subject prefix, when you want to say no for something, for certain action, we say hawa, hawa, wow, hawasomi. Are not reading. Okay? This is the end of our lesson today. Don't miss to communicate through WhatsApp number shown down here. You can get the information on how you can speak well Swahili language like a native. Don't miss to communicate if you like to speak Swahili comfortably. Okay? Thank you very much. My name is Teacher Home Guy.